Greetings! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the brake pedal and the clutch pedal on a 1947 CJ2A Willys Jeep. All these parts are brought to you by CJ2AWillys.com. Make sure to use Jeep10 a discount code to get 10% off your next order. It's important the pedals are installed correctly. Clutch pedal has a lip on it, and this lip will be installed towards the brake pedal, and the brake pedal lip will be installed towards the clutch pedal. Install the clutch pedal with the notch facing upwards and install it into the clutch pedal arm. Pull down the clutch pedal arm and pull out the clutch pedal and bring it forward to install the felt seal. First, install the felt seal onto the clutch pedal. Next, install the washer. And finally, install the spring with the wide end towards the washer. Now line up the arm and the pedal. The notch that's in the pedal will have to be lined up with the holes in the pedal arm. That means we'll have to push the pedal down more. But to do that, we'll have to go back into the interior. Now we have to seat the pedal further into the pedal arm, just pushing it down. With the notch in the clutch pedal and the holes in the clutch arm all lined up, now we can install an 1.25 inch long bolt. This is a 5/16-18 coarse thread bolt with a lock washer installed into the clutch arm, going towards the engine, and we will just thread it in as so. Don't tighten this bolt until we install the brake pedal, as we need to adjust and align the pedals so they're level. Moving to the brake pedal, repeat the same steps as the clutch pedal. Install the brake pedal into the brake pedal arm. On the backside, install the brake pedal draft seal kit onto the brake pedal. Readjust the brake pedal to align the notch. Install the 5/16 coarse thread 1.25 long inch bolt into the brake pedal arm. The clutch and brake pedal are now installed. Now make sure that they are nice and level. Make the adjustments as so, as the bolts that attach the pedal to the arm are still loose. The last step is to tighten the bolt on the clutch pedal and on the brake pedal. Use a 1/2 inch wrench and tighten these bolts until they are snug. Final check and the pedals are level. And that's how to install the clutch and brake pedal. Use Jeep10 at CJ2AWillys.com.